Hey everybody, this video is going to talk about writing a quadratic function given its zeros. So let's say we're told that we need to write the quadratic function h whose only zero is 5. So we only have one zero given, but it's a quadratic function, right? A quadratic function has an x squared in it. Well, if we have a zero that is 5, so f of 5 equals 0. The factor theorem says that x minus 5 is going to be a factor. But how do I get a quadratic function? Because this right here is only a linear function. And I only want a 0 of 5. Well, I can have a 0 repeated with multiplicity, and it's still only a 0, 1 0, right? So if I put on a multiplicity of 2 here, this becomes a quadratic function with the 0 of only 5.